6-month-old mixed breed. So we're gonna work on lots of pulling on the leash, jumping are some of the main issues that his family is having, as well as just general obedience is not very good. He's just a puppy, so he doesn't really know it yet. Yeah. So we got a lot of work to do. Let's mess around a little bit and see what he knows already. Stryker. Oh, that's so good. Can you sit? Can you sit? Yeah. Face. Down. Okay. So doesn't really know a ton of his basic commands. Lots of jumping and already noticing just lots of pulling on the leash. So we've got a ton of work to do over the next 10 days. So tune in then to see how Stryker's done with his training. Stryker! Stryker!